Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see how we can send messages to our Teams application. So for that, let me first of all go and create a flow. I will go with instant flow. I will select manual and I'm going to create my flow. And the first thing is that I will delete this trigger. And here I'm going to use this Teams one, so I will search for my Teams. Okay, and let me click on Teams here. I can search for my webhook. Oh, just a second here. It should be different Teams. Teams. Okay, this one. Okay, yeah, here I'm going to leverage this one. When a Teams webhook request is received. Okay, so now here what I will do, I will select it anyone so that I don't have any kind of restriction here. I can click on new. And here what I can do is I can post my message. So I can again use my Teams. And here this time let me post a message. So I will search for post. Post message in chat or channel. Here I will select my flowbot only. And here I can get where I want to post. So I will post it in a channel. And here now it will ask me for my team and channel ID. So what I can do, I can simply search for my team. So my team name is Sagar team. And similarly, I will have my channel as well. So I'm going to select this. And further here what I can do, I can, get this information and I will post it. Okay. So let me save this. So in a nutshell, let me tell you what we are doing here. So I will call my Teams application from an external system. It could be anything. Okay, now to call my Teams application through an external system, I need to leverage this particular URL. Okay, now this is still saving. Once it will save, so I will get this URL. So now I can copy this. So I need to post data into this URL, and what will happen? Ultimately, the data will be posted here. So the scenario that we can take here could be simple one. For example, let's say you want to broadcast a news to your complete organization or to a particular Teams or channel. Okay, let's say we have some good news. Let's say we have done a recent updation in one of our software or programs, so we can update all this information and that will be visible to everyone here. And the beautiful thing is that it can be called outside of our legacy application. Let's say we have a legacy application. From there we can call this URL and then it will come here and it is going to send data and will post our messages here. So let me leverage this. Now to leverage this URL I can use Postman, but here instead of this I'm going to use my HTTP action here. So I will say new. So basically this flow will not be needed, but as currently I'm testing it, so I instead of using Postman I'm going to use HTTP triggers from flow itself. So let me skip this. I'm going to trigger it manually. I will say manually trigger a flow. Let me add an input or let me not add. So here I can say HTTP I will select this. Here I can select my method. So I'm going to post some data. I already have my URI available. Okay, so here I can pass a body. For example, let me create a sample JSON, and here I can say output. Let's say there's some news. Okay, I can say software update and something like this. Now what will happen, this message is going to be posted into my Teams channel. Okay, now I should be done. Okay, let me save it. And here I'm going to test it out. And what I will do in the meantime, I will open my Teams application so that I can get that message when I will run my flow. So here now I'm going to test it. I'm going to test it manually. I'm hard coding a data here. So basically this data will be coming from some kind of external system, or could be inside Power Platform as well. I will run my flow. So I'll click on done here, and it should take some seconds. Okay, our flow ran successfully. And now here, let me open my Teams application. Okay, so here, okay, I'm waiting here. Now in the meantime, what I will do, I will go here and I can open my second flow, which is actually going to pose the webhook. So I'll open this. Okay, so here it says that my test is failed. Let me open this and check it out. Okay, got it. Alright. Alright guys, so here we have this error. So what I'm going to do, I will edit this. Let me go here. Copy. And I'm going to paste the section. We should have something called paste here. Not from here. I think it will be available from here in New Designer. Okay, anyway, let me add it manually. So here what I will do, I will say post message in. I can say see more here, and I can search for my post message here. Here we go. Alright, I will say channel here, and let me give again my team and ID and everything. Here I can pass my data. Okay, let me do one thing here. Let me add a compose first. Paint 1 2 3 random text here. Data operation. Here I will have my compose. So here I will get the body. Okay, now I can pass this body here. So I no longer require this, and this should work now because we have that attachments and all those issues in earlier one. So what I can do, I can trigger it. I will open my flow. I will again I will again call this particular webhook here. So okay, so let me trigger it now. I will go here, run my flow, done, and we should get that software update message into our Teams application in some time from now. Let me come back and see if my flow is getting triggered here. That flow will call my this flow. Okay, it got successful. And now here, if I will go to my channel here, and I should have posted that message. Okay, output software update done. All right, so this is how you can use Webhook and send messages, or you can do any kind of thing into your Teams application. Thank you for watching this video.